Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I have been sharing a lot of and a wide variety of face masks that are embroidered with both hand embroidery, machine embroidery and various type of silk ribbon embroidery masks and much more related to hand knitted handmade crochet face masks. But friends, my today's videos is very unique and it is interlinked with my previous videos. That in this video I am here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful, specifically different shades of pink color face masks. The main theme and the main purpose and motive of my today's video is to share a wide variety of face mask designs specifically that are made on pink color, because pink color is a color that is attributed to girls and every girl demands to have something in her dress code or in her fashionable accessories that could be termed as girlish, or you can say female touch giving. So pink is the color attributed to female, and it would not be wrong if we use pinkish instead of girlish to represent the community of girls. So friends, those girls who are lovers of representing their identities and who are lovers of pink color, this video collection is entirely for them. Go now and have these masks designed for yourselves, and by doing this, stay protected, stay healthy, and remain cool and classy. Friends, don't panic. Wear face masks while going out and handle coronavirus without any sort of panic. So, no panic about corona. Handle it carefully, keep calm, wash your hands, help protect others, and stay safe. Thank you so much.